This is a video product review of the Laguiic Ice Compression Glove. Cold therapy, hot therapy. This is absolutely perfect for arthritis, carpal tunnel pain, tendonitis in the hands, sports injuries, bruises, sprains, swelling. We can see some of the information on the package. Let me show you what this is all about. It's got a really nice strap over here, like all of their products. Heavy-duty Velcro. You can see the very nice Velcro strap over here. I use this because I play guitar. I get very sore fingers, very sore hands. This comes in different sizes, so you have to look at the website to find out, oh my God, this feels so good. You have to find out what size you wear. You can see it goes all across the hand and the fingers, and then partially up the wrist, and then you can put on the Velcro strap. It feels like a nice, firm, tight glove. We have the expandable Lycra, full 360 coverage of the fingers. You can use this for hot or cold therapy. Cold therapy, you only want to use cold therapy for about 15 minutes at the most. Take it off, let your hand and your skin cool down, and then put this back on in another hour or two, and then do your cool therapy again. Same for hot therapy, you do not want to exceed the amount of time. So we've got instructions here for hot therapy, cold therapy, how to put this on, which I just showed you. You can put this on either your left or right hand to get rid of the pain and stiffness and inflammation. This is great, as I said, for carpal tunnel. If you do a lot of typing, if you use your wrists all the time, you're gonna have a lot of pain in here. I can feel the coldness over here already. My fingers get really tight, as I said, from guitar. I do a lot of gardening. My hands get really sore. So this is a wonderful product made by Laguiic. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description. The price is just incredible for what you're getting. Their ice packs and heat packs are absolutely wonderful. Make sure you order the Laguiic Ice Compression Glove today.